Hi, I'm Sue Bowler, and today what I'd like to show you is how to create a flat packed column. We're just using a small pollen base just for the demonstration, and I'm just going to start off with 2 duplets inflated to approximately 7 inches for this, 6.5, 7 inches, and I'm just going to use the locking method. So I'm just going to take this one and place it on the pole this side and this one on the other, and then just gently push down. Okay, so basically what we're looking to do is create a column that isn't as usually as round as this, so we just want this to have a nice flat front and back. So to do this, I'm just going to show you using my hand pump. I'm going to inflate a 5-inch Caribbean blue to about 4 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really important that it's accurate, so I'm using the pump as a sizing tool. If you want to measure this, this is about 4.5 inches. I'm going to use an orange, so I'm picking up the 2 colours from the cluster, the base cluster. I'm just going to put a single pump in there, and that's approximately 2.5 inches. And I'm just going to tie those together into a duplet. And I make a second one of those. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and single pump. 1. And tie that in. Okay, so now we're going to use the same method that we used at the base. We're just going to take this duplet and we're going to wrap it around. So I'm going to position the small balloon to the centre so that you can see it here, and the larger balloon to the outside. And I'm going to do the same on the reverse. So I'm just going to place the small balloon to the centre and the larger balloon to the outside, and then just gently push it down. And until I get my next cluster on, this is not going to sit very flat. My next cluster is a cluster of 4, just using the Caribbean blue this time. Obviously your colour combinations are completely up to you, and they're all going to be single pump balloons. Obviously it's been much quicker if we were to use an automatic sizer like the Premium Twin Air. That would work really well. For this, single pump, and here we go. So with this one, we're just going to put this on 2 there, 2 there, and push those down. And that's just going to hold my cluster in position. And so we're just going to repeat this process until we've completed the column. So I'm going to take my next one, position there, and here, and you can see we're building as we go. Cluster of 4 in the Caribbean blue, and that goes just there. I'll take my next one, so just grab hold of these, and goes there, and goes there. Once you've inflated your balloons, this process is actually really quick. And you can really adapt this style to fit in with lots of different themes. I've used it before for very elegant themes like an award ceremony where I use black and gold, or you can use it for anything really. So you can see all these balloons are sitting nicely flat, these running down the centre. If I just swivel this around, you can see you've got this nice thin line. To turn it round to the back, it says identical. Here we go again. You just keep going, and you just continue this process until you've added all your balloons. How you finish the top is entirely up to you. You might want to put a large cluster on the top and then put something on it. You may just want a small cluster. I'm just going to put one more on. Just to show you. And there we go. And I'm just going to finish there. Just for now, just for the demonstration. But this is a really lovely technique, really nice finishing. You can actually make a fantastic arch out of this. Instead of using, obviously not on a pollen base, you might want to do it on a flexible piece of rod or on a circular frame, but you make your outer balloon one size, you make your inner balloon another, smaller. I mean, if I was doing it, I'd probably do 4 pumps, 1 pump, 2 pumps, and then you'll get this lovely curve. Anyway, I hope that's helped you, and I'll speak to you again soon.